Breaking news here on Martyn, Lucas Investor. Let's talk Tesla. Why is it up today? What's going on? I've been saying for a while that Tesla could sell off because it's overvalued. It is. It's overbought. It's too expensive. I know Tesla's great. It's got a great future. We know all about it. I've covered it many, many times, but it's important to talk about this right now. Interest rates, as I said, will be coming down in September. I've said for 18 months, in the summer of 2024, rates will come down. Forget all the manipulation, forget all the rubbish on CNBC and Bloomberg and all these places. I said rates will come down, and they're coming down. This will benefit people like Tesla, not because of their borrowing money. They're not bothered about that. They make money on their cash. What it does do is it makes it cheaper for people to buy solar. It makes it cheaper for people to buy cars, and it makes it cheaper for people next year and the year after to buy Optimus. Yes, it's coming. There's no doubt about that. It's just not yet. At the moment, the stock is overbought. Always buy value. Of course, you can buy the future price, of course. But if we look at the valuation, we are 78% overvalued. And that's fine. If you believe it's going to grow and grow and grow, which it is and is and is, I agree with you. You still don't pay over the top for anything. If you do that, you're not an investor. You're a speculative gambler. And, I love Tesla on all the rest of it, but I don't just pay any price for anything. That doesn't make sense. I mean, whatever. I'm going to cover the news for you right now and then look at the numbers. This was just sent in by Fight Channel. If you're a member of our channel and you want to get news on the show, do a super chat and it will jump to the top. Tesla Energy, looking at a review here, is growing and it could be company's next big earnings driver. Not could, it is. The cars are not the driver of this price. What is the driver of this price is energy and Optimus. It's not the cars anymore. We're way past that. So Tesla said it more than doubled its energy storage deployment in Q2 from the previous quarter. That is true. Let's have a look down here. When it comes to valuing and analyzing Tesla stock, Wall Street analysts, at least the bullish one, said the company is more than an automaker. It is way more. It's software. And one area of outsized growth for Tesla beyond its car business could be energy. 100% agree with you. In its second quarter production and delivery report, Tesla said it had deployed 9.4 gigawatts of battery energy storage. Its highest quarterly amount ever, and more than double the amount of battery storage the company deployed in the first quarter. Incredible. This is really great. I mean, this is where the money's going to come from. Tesla's energy storage business, part of Tesla Energy, includes installations as small as Powerwall batteries for the home of massive megapack storage facilities. Excuse me. Meant for utilities and municipalities to store large amounts of energy for deployment at peak energy usage times. While a Powerwall typically holds around 12.2 kilowatt hours of usable energy, or enough to power a small home for a day, one megapack installation can hold 3.9 megawatt hours of energy, enough to power 3,600 homes for 1 hour, Tesla said. Though Tesla only booked $1.6 billion in revenue from its energy storage business in its first quarter, the company reported a healthy $403 million in gross profit from its business, good for a gross margin of 24.6%. We're watching, as I talk about it, Tesla is going up today. This is really, really great. I prefer to own it through the S&P though, however, but that's your choice to make. I see many other advantages of owning everything in the S&P, but that's a different video. Tesla overall gross profit was $3.7 billion in Q1, with a gross margin of 17.4%, which was down from 19.3% a year ago. The drop in gross margin was due to Tesla's EV price cuts, which were meant to spur demand and have been eating into profits over the past year. Charged up, Tesla's energy storage deployment surging. This is where the money is going to come from. No question about it. Source was from Morgan Stanley. Thank you very much in that chart there. Tesla's auto business, which represents the lion's share of the company's revenue and profits, is now actually weighing on Tesla's overall gross margin, notwithstanding the positive effects of the growing profits and operational efficiency of its energy storage business. But with Tesla doubling storage deployments in Q2 versus Q1, the effects of the company's bottom line could be substantial. And Wall Street is, of course, noticing the growth and potential appeal of Tesla's energy storage business. We believe investors will begin to pay more attention to Tesla's energy business, which we value at $36 per share value, $130 billion, as the business uniquely positioned to benefit from investment in the U.S. electric grid, accelerating by the AI boom, Jonas wrote in a note to clients last week. Let's look at the numbers. If you can tap the like button, that'd be absolutely fantastic. We'd really, really appreciate it. But here are the numbers. Let's look over the numbers and see if you can make some money here. We're getting some real growth here, no doubt about it. Tesla is firing off today, looking very, very nice indeed. Let's look at the numbers. 94.7 billion, down 2%. But look how it's going to go up. Not exactly an S-curve yet, not projected anyway. Look how it's starting to increase over time. Operating income down 17%. Now it's about to take off. Net income down 9%, about to take off. Financing cash flow up 17%. Investing cash flow, and that's a negative, plus 17%. Operating cash flow down 17%. All about to go the other way, though, right? What about the balance sheet? 109.2 assets, 44.8%. Sorry, 44.8 billion in liabilities. Scroll down. Let's have a look at the margins. We know about the margins, but they have decreased recently. ROE 24%, 14% of ROA, ROIC 20%, ROCE 11%. Let's scroll on down. Look at the solvency score. Absolutely not going anywhere. 78%, as good as it gets pretty much. Profitability now 65%. That's about to go up. What about Wall Street targets? They're all saying it's too expensive. 91% downside. 29% downside, or on the best case scenario, 27% upside. It is expensive. Best way to own it is the S&P. Insiders have been selling recently. Let's have a look at the short interest. There's no short interest at all, 3.8%. Okay, let's go over to, and we can see the trends here of how it's being traded. Let's scrolling on down, scrolling. There you go. Insiders on Robinhood as you can see, the buys have been going down and sales have been very active recently. People taking profits. Let's look at hedge funders. It's a bit of a balancing act, buying and selling, not all one direction at the moment. What about insiders? Insiders are buying. Let's look who and how much. Insiders are buying. Let's scroll down here and let's see. The insiders. Now, this is a bit of a manipulation. We've got to remember this, because if you look at it, it looks great. Insiders buying. We like that. And if we look there, we can see in June, 100% buy. 252,000 shares. We love it. But what is it? What is the buying? What's been going on? Accumulated of shares via grant or award. It's not actual buying. It's share allocation. People have been paid in shares. So people have been rewarded in shares. So just bear that in mind when you look at the inside trading. Think, oh, wow, everyone's buying. Maybe I want to buy. They're simply being paid in share options. So there you go. Some breaking news on Tesla. Tesla's looking great. I know I said it would sell off. Doesn't matter to me. I bought the S&P. Here's my position in the S&P. I'm up. Anyway, I'm making money. I've got another all-time high, 105,000 now, 416. I've just gone all in on the S&P and bought a lot more, $10,000 in the last few minutes, and last hour or so anyway. So there you go. Tesla update. Click above my head, down below in the description. Rates are coming down. More people can buy cars. This is a big, big day for everyone who's got AI, technology, solar, stocks that are affected by rate cuts. Brilliant. And Tesla is one of those. Over there for the full alpha playlist. If you are a member of my channel, You can access Alpha Spread above my head, down below at martynlucas.com. Check out all the links, scroll down and you'll find Alpha Spread. My members can get use of this for free. It's the best AI software for valuing stocks, I believe, out there. And my members can use it for free, or you can become a member, get the premium service, which is what I use. And basically my membership will give you a discount, which will make my membership for free. It's the best deal. CNBC, Yahoo, Bloomberg, no one offers the deal that I get. I know the CEO. I offer you the best deal possible. Click above my head, down below for that. Over here for the full Alpha Spread playlist of all the stocks I reviewed. This is not a full review though. This was just some news. And down here you'll find the Tesla playlist. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.